Hello dear students, this is chapter 3 class 10th, pair of linear equations in two variables. In this chapter we first discuss some basic concepts with examples. First we will discuss what are linear equations. An equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 or ax plus by equal to d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and a square plus b square not equal to 0, and x, y are variables. This is called linear equation in two variables. In this chapter we will discuss methods of solving simultaneous pair of linear equations in two variables. So we have two methods to solve pair of linear equations in two variables. First is graphical method and second is algebraic method. So let's discuss graphical method. Let the system of linear equation in two variables be a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Case 1. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then graph will represent two intersecting lines. Point of intersection is the solution of the system. Here, this line represents the equation a1x plus b1y equal to c1, and this line represents equation a2x plus b2y equal to c2. They intersect at this point, which is known as point of intersection, and this is the solution of this system. Case 2. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, then graph will represent two parallel lines, and this system has no solution. Here, a1x plus b1y equal to c1 is represented by this line, and a2x plus b2y equal to c2 is represented by this line. Both of these lines are parallel, they are not intersecting at any point, so this system has no common solution. Case 3. If a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, then graph will represent two coinciding lines. System has infinitely many solutions. Here, both the lines a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2 are coinciding. So this system has infinitely many solutions. Now let us discuss the algebraic method to solve linear equations in two variables. Let the system of linear equation in two variables be a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Here, if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, then the system has a unique solution and is known as consistent. The solution will be considered as consistent. Second, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 but not equal to c1 upon c2, then system has no solution and is known as inconsistent. Solution will known as inconsistent. Third, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2, then system has infinitely many solutions and is known as dependent consistent. Let us discuss an example. In this question, for what values of a and b, the following system of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. Equations are 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and a minus b multiplied by x plus a plus b multiplied by y equal to 3a plus b minus 2. First we compare the given equation with system of linear equation in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So we get values of a1, b1, c1 and a2, b2, c2. For system to have finite solution, finite that is unique solution, this. So we take a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2. On solving this by cross multiplying, we get equation a equal to 5b. Similarly, b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2 gave equation 2a minus 4b equal to 6. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. We solve these equations and get values of a and b. Value of a equal to 5 and b equal to 1. So, for a equal to 5 and b equal to 1, this system of linear equation have an infinite number of solution. Infinitely many solution. We followed this step. a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 equal to c1 upon c2. First we compare a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 and then we compare b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. So we get two different equations and after solving them we get value of a and value of b. Now let us discuss second question. We have to find value of k for which the given system has first unique solution and second no solution. We have to solve these two parts for this system. Again we compare the given solution with the system of linear equation in two variable. We find the values of a1, b1, c1, a2, b2 and c2. So for the system to have unique solution, a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2. This gives value of k which is not equal to minus 4. Second part, for no solution, for the system to have no solution, a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 not equal to c1 upon c2. From first two steps, that is a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2, we get k equal to minus 4 after solving. In this problem, we have to draw a graph of these two equations and show that there is a unique solution for these equations. Also, we have to calculate the area bounded by these lines, the given lines, and x-axis. So from first equation, when we put x equal to 0, 1 and minus 1, we get the value of y equal to 1, 2 and 0 respectively. Similarly, for second equation, we get the values of x and y. By using these coordinates, we plot a graph. This graph, in this graph, this line represents first line, x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, and this line represents the second line, that is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. These two lines are intersecting at point B, and area bounded by these lines and x-axis is shaded here, which is a triangle. We find that given line intersect at point B and coordinate of B are 2 and 3, which is a required unique solution. Shaded portion is the area bounded by the lines and the x-axis, which is a triangle. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. So we put the values of AC and BL here. On multiplying we get 7.5 square units area. Thank you.